Now let's talk about Amazon OpenSearch. That previously was Elasticsearch, which is the new name of the Elasticsearch service. Now, so it's so very important to understand that the Elasticsearch in the exam should now become OpenSearch, and the Kibana is what used to be Kibana is now OpenSearch dashboards. Now OpenSearch dashboard, previously it was Kibana. Kibana, it's dashboard, OpenSearch dashboard. So it's a managed version of OpenSearch. The Amazon OpenSearch service, which is the open source project, it's a fork of Elasticsearch. So Elasticsearch had changed its type of license, and AWS had to do their own open source project to allow the project to be hosted on Amazon. Hence the new name. It needs to run on server, and it's on serverless offering. And the use cases are going to be log analytics, real-time applications, monitoring, security analytics, full text search, click-stream analytics, and indexing. Okay, so you can use the suite of OpenSearch dashboards and Logdash. So OpenSearch provides you search and indexing capability. You must specify the instance types. If it's multi-easy, etc., etc., like OpenSearch dashboards, which used to be named Kibana, provides you real-time dashboards on top of the data that sits in OpenSearch, and it's going to be an alternative to using CloudWatch dashboards. Okay, which gives you more advanced capabilities for dashboarding. And Logdash is a log written ingestion mechanism. For this, you need to use Logdash agent, and it's going to be an alternative to using CloudWatch logs. Okay, where you decide on retention and granularity. So here is an architecture sample by using DynamoDB and OpenSearch. So we want to search on top of DynamoDB. So for this, all the create, update, and delete in DynamoDB are going to end up into DynamoDB stream. We can create a Lambda function that will send all the data into Amazon OpenSearch. Please note that this flow can now be changed as you have seen in the previous lecture, from DynamoDB table to Kinesis, and data streams to Kinesis data firehose to OpenSearch, because now we have the capability from the within DynamoDB to send into Kinesis data streams. Okay, anyway, once the data is in the Amazon OpenSearch, then you can create your own API. For example, your own application to search items, and this application can be hosted on, say, on the EC2 instance behind a load balancer. And then once the items are being searched, then they can be retrieved directly from the DynamoDB table. So DynamoDB table is we know is really good for very simple role level up to operations, but then OpenSearch is good for search. So the two together gives you an API to search items and then retrieve them from the DynamoDB table. Another pattern is using CloudWatch logs. So we can send the logs from the CloudWatch into a subscription filter, into a Lambda function that is managed by AWS. They will send data in real time to Amazon OpenSearch. Another way to do it would be like have a CloudWatch logs send again into a subscription filter, and then into the Kinesis data firehose, and this time in near real time into Amazon OpenSearch, because well, Kinesis data firehose has something batching capability, some batching capability. Okay, that's it for like here this Amazon OpenSearch, and I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next one.